Hello, last week I showed you how to make it so a shot would start at the player's weapon and hit our crosshair. This week I'm going to be adding the leaning to our character so that we can lean past corners and still hit our targets. Starting off in our third person character, we need a new variable called lean. Then we're going to need the keys that we'll be using to lean. For me, they'll be the Q and E key. Now when we press Q, we want to set our lean to -45 and 0 on release. As for the E, we want to set it to +45 on pressed and 0 on release. Now in our animation blueprint, I've changed my reference to owning character to be the third person character. I'll add another pin to our sequence here, and I'm going to get our character reference and call lean. Then we can call finterpolate. The character's lean will be our target. The current can be promoted to a variable, just call that lean as well. And then we can also set the lean and plug it in like so. The delta time will come from our weld delta seconds, and the interpolation speed will be just set to 4. You won't need most of this, it's just so that my character can aim up and down. What we're going to need is a transform modify bow. First off, the bone to modify will be our spine _01. We can also go into the pins and uncheck expose pin for the translation, scale, and alpha. We are only going to need our rotation, and we're going to set this to add to existing. Now we can get our lean and split our rotation, and plug our lean into our pitch, and then we are done. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.